Wow, that is cool. Very cool. Out on my ride today on the back roads. Nothing but smiles. Hello everybody. Wheel Stories is back in the saddle and it is time for a ride. This is the start of Season 3. Welcome to Episode 1. Today I'm cruising around on my BMW, the R1150R. I'm riding through the canyons and foothills located north of Boise and the town of Eagle. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day. Perfect temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Perfect weather for wearing a leather jacket and carving some asphalt. I'm currently riding on Cartwright Road that soon turns into Dry Creek Road. These twisty backroad sections are located a short distance from Boise, tucked behind some rolling hills. Many residents of Boise are likely unaware that this area even exists. The BMW Roadster is an amazing all-rounder. I use it for touring, riding around town, and taking joy rides through the countryside. The 1150 was produced from 2001 to 2005. It is, of course, a flat twin with 4 valves per cylinder, air and oil cooled, with a 6-speed transmission. I love the look of the twin jugs that hang off the sides of the engine, particularly with these chrome valve covers. The bike has the odd tele-lever on the front suspension with a single shock tucked underneath the gas tank, and then paralever suspension in the rear with a single-sided swing arm and shaft drive. After I finish riding through Dry Creek Valley, I like to jump over to Beacon Light Road, located near Eagle. I turn north on Eagle Road and head back into the foothills for more twists and turns. That's pretty slick. While riding on Eagle Road today, I see a pilot doing some skywriting. He's been doing some happy faces and some 4-leaf clovers. But the wind's blowing and the faces and the clovers are being erased from the sky pretty quickly. The only drawback to this route is a short dirt and gravel section on Chaparral Road. Eventually, I arrive at Highway 16 and head north toward Emmett and make the turn at Old Freezeout Hill Road. This is the old highway that takes you into Gem County. Freezeout Road has seen better times. Freezeout Hill brings back some memories. When I was a young kid, my dad worked with a man who owned two exotic sports cars, a Lotus Elan and a Lotus Elite. The two co-workers became good friends and teamed up to compete in rally functions and raced in timed events from the bottom to the top of this hill. Driving around in two Lotus sports cars, what an amazing opportunity and a good fortune for my dad. After checking out the scenery from the top of Freezeout Hill, I head back toward Boise, riding through Eagle for a bite to eat. My mind is fixated on some hot Nashville chicken.
Now that was a lot of fun, but after a terrific ride and a great meal, it's nice to be back home with the bike put away safely in the garage. For Wheel Stories, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trails.